Accessible Electronic Document Community of Practice, AED-COP.
You are watching how to author and test Microsoft PowerPoint presentations for accessibility. This is Module 6, using built-in features to create data tables. This video is one in a series showing how to make a PowerPoint presentation Section 508 conformant. Data tables are a useful way to organize and present information in a presentation. To ensure data tables are created with accessibility in mind, the tables must be created using the built-in table features so that assistive technology can read the table's information in a meaningful manner. Pictures of tables, or tables with merged or split cells, are not accessible because the information in the table cannot be read in a way that accurately conveys the information in the table. Additionally, data tables must not be contained within another table. To create accessible data tables, select the Insert tab. Then, in the Table group, select Insert Table. Select the number of columns and rows you desire. Do not merge or split cells. Note: if you need a complex data table, a table with more than one header row, one or more header column, and/or merged or split cells, then you must convert the presentation to an accessible format, such as a PDF document remediated for accessibility. Complex data tables cannot be made accessible within Microsoft PowerPoint. To identify headers in a table: 1. Click inside the table. The Table Tools options should become visible and the Table Design tab should be open. 2. If the top row of the table contains headers for each column, as most tables do, make sure the Header Row checkbox is selected. 3. If the first column of the table contains headers for each row, make sure the first column checkbox is selected. In the Table Styles section, select a style where the table headers are clearly identified visually. Make sure the style has good contrast. To determine if a table is accessible, select the table. If the Picture Format tab shows up in the ribbon instead of the Table Tools options, then the table is a picture. If the document contains pictures of tables, the document fails this test. Place your cursor on a table and use the Tab key to move between cells. Make sure cells don't span more than one column or row, which would indicate merged or split cells. Are the tables free of merged or split cells? If not, the document fails this test. When we select this table, the Picture Format tab appears in the ribbon instead of the Table Tools options. This example is not accessible. When we select this table, the Table Tools options appear in the ribbon. But when we tab between cells, we can see that it contains merged cells. This example is not accessible. In this example, the Table Tools options appear when we select the table, and the table does not contain merged or split cells. This example is considered accessible. Thank you for watching Module 6. You are encouraged to watch the other modules in this video series and revisit modules to gain a mastery of the information provided. To learn more about Section 508, visit www.section508.gov. This video is a product of the Accessible Electronic Document Community of Practice, Chief Information Officers Council, and the Federal Aviation Administration.